How to activate American Express card. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar, type down Activate American Express card. You will get to see the direct link or direct website option at the top. How do I activate my card option available there of the American Express card official website. Now they scroll down and you will get to see Activate link option available in the blue highlights. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the official activation page. Now here all you have to do is fill out your personal information. Enter your 15-digit card number and 4-digit card printed on the front of the card and follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation. Once activated, sign the back of your card and you are ready to use it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.